Some networking groups have referral slips, bits of paper that we get the opportunity to write down the name and the details of the person who we are passing on to the other person in the networking group so that they can then follow that up. It does two things. One, as often as not, it provides a physical reminder to the person that they've got something to do, because there is an opportunity there on that piece of paper and a real possibility of some business. In other cases, it is a thank you, if you like, a means of quantifying how much business is being passed between members of that network, so that at the end of the year we can all see that there is value in what we're doing, and we can all see how much value is being gained by members of the group.